Hey everyone, Jody from Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures, and today we're going to look at the Next Venture Motorsports rear diff skid plate and rear diff cover for the Ford Bronco. Stay tuned. Alright, so as some of you all probably know, previously we did an install on an RCI rear diff skid plate. Nothing wrong with that piece, but with the Rock Krawler 4-link suspension kit with the truss that you have to weld on, that skid unfortunately is no longer compatible with that rear axle because it bolts around the axle tubes, and that's where that truss welds at. So we looked around, tried to see what we could get that would work with that new kit, but also provide us the protection that we need. Perfection too. Our friends Rogers and Henderson, who we love to death, they recommended Next Venture Motorsports. So we looked into them, and sure enough, this does have compatibility because it mounts to the diff cover. It's very nice. We got ours powder coated. You can get it powder coated, and I think you can get it maybe in another color too. Pretty heavy still. And this piece right here goes here on the back of it. And it comes with the hardware, you know, and it's got some gussets here. So this thing's gonna be pretty stout. You're not gonna hurt your rear end. So all the hardware comes in here. If you don't have the diff cover, it has spacers if you want to use your stock diff cover as well. Also, we have the diff cover. Figured might as well go ahead and get the stronger diff cover. You know, we're going through all this hard work, getting a re-gear, getting all this new rear end work. So it makes this diff cover too, solid steel, pretty damn sturdy. Got your drain plug there, drain hole there. Comes with the hardware, and it comes with the drain plug here in the packet. Yeah, so pretty straightforward, pretty nice. There again has their neat logo on here, Next Venture. Got the bird on there. So this thing's pretty beefy as well. So as we get our rest of our drivetrain upgrade project going on, these will definitely get thrown on. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll leave a link below to this stuff, so that way you can get one for yourself if you choose to do so. Thank you.
Once again, I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you guys are following along with us, enjoying this as much as we're making it. Enjoy making it, and hopefully get this thing on here in the next few weeks along with the rest of it. So stay tuned, and we'll definitely update you guys. Please consider hitting that like and subscribe button, hit that alert button so you don't miss anything, and we'll catch you soon.